Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ron and today I want to talk about my Tesla Model Y 19-inch wheel covers. But before that, I want to thank everyone for watching my video. The Tesla community is awesome. You showed me love on the last video and I'm going to keep bringing you more Tesla videos. But I have one issue with my Tesla wheel cover. I'm going to tell you after this. Like I said, my Tesla Model Y is an amazing vehicle. I love this vehicle so much, but I have one issue, and it's my wheel covers. My 19-inch wheel covers, it has a rattling noise. I don't know if anybody else in the chat or anybody else watching this video could tell me, but my Model Y has a rattling noise, and I took it to Tesla, and they claimed they fixed it, but it's still making that noise. I'm gonna insert a clip right now. Let me know if you hear what I'm hearing. All right, so did you hear that? Because it's not as loud as it used to be, because when I took the Tesla, they claimed they put a little tape around it, but when I got home, it was still making this noise. But guess what? I teamed up with EV Base. They sent me out these wheel covers, and we're gonna check it out. So we're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna install them, and then we're gonna see if it's solving my problem. All right, so let's do a quick unboxing. Let's see what we got up in here. I got an old knife I'm using. I don't jump. Almost cut myself. All right. Put that away. All right, so the packaging looks real good so far. Everything was packaged real nice in here. And I almost forgot what wheel covers this is, so let's see which one it is, man. Boom. Okay. Take a look at these real quick. All right, so I switched to my different camera so I can move around a little bit. But this is what they give you in the box. Four on wheel covers. They give you this tape right here so you could tape it around so it won't, I'm assuming it has less noise. They gave me 4 of these covers, but I also have, they sent me in the mail a one that says Tesla on it as well. And then I think one of the most important pieces to this package is this is to take off the old wheel covers, right? I heard a lot of people had issues taking them off, so they were kind enough to put this in the box. I'm pretty sure that it comes with everyone's box, but all you gotta do is flip it in there and pull it out. Hopefully it works, so we're gonna demonstrate that. But first, what we're gonna do is put the tape on, which might be the longest part of installing these wheel covers. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install one real quick, and then, you know, we'll fast forward to taking off the wheel covers. I don't wanna bore you with putting 4 of these on, so I'm gonna put these on and then transfer and take off the wheels. Here you go, so this is how it looks with it on. Probably didn't do the best job, but this prevents also from scratching the rims, I believe. So we're gonna put all 4 on, then I'll get back with you in a second. All right, so all 4 wheel covers have that tape on the back of it now. So what we're gonna do is just put on this logo that they sent me. They sent me an extra one, so it's probably best to put it on now instead of waiting until you get your tires on, your wheels on. So I'll just put it on there, and that looks good. It looks good. I don't know if it's a certain type of way, but it looks good. All right, so before we install the new wheel covers, just let's take a look at the old ones, the 19-inch. There's nothing wrong with these 19-inch wheel covers that's stock from Tesla. I'm telling you, these are the best rims I think they ever put on any of the Model Ys or 3s. So just take a look at these. It looks good. So it gives you an option that you could switch them out anytime you want. Sporty look, but I mean, it looks good to me. I like it. I just have that one issue, and it's rattling a lot. So hopefully, you know, it's the wheel covers that's rattling, but all in all, great option. Get these wheel covers, obviously, or let's see how it looks without the wheel covers. There's another option without the wheel covers. So whichever style you like, it's up to you. Glad EV Base sent these this wheel cover removal kit, because it looks hard to stick your fingers in here to remove the wheel cover. So all you got to do is put it in here. Boom, push it forward, put it in here. Push it forward. Sorry, I got a plane passing by, so. All right, so yep, just push it in there. Pull it up, and then pull it up. There you go. So it's a little more difficult than I thought, and I think I might have scratched it. But these are the wheels without the wheel covers. So let me know if you like it with the wheel covers or without the wheel covers. I'll show you this right here. All you gotta do is get a kit. Boom. With the wheel covers, without the wheel covers. Those are the old version. And we're gonna try to put on the new ones, all right? All right, so let's try it in the front as well. Boom, easy peasy. This one. Boom. 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 Here we go. All right. Easy. All right. That one was a lot better than the first side, but this how they look. Honestly, they look good without them. If you get the wheel cover kit, that could be another option for you. To me, it looks good. All right, so what you're gonna do is line up the wheel covers exactly with this hole right here where you put air in your tires. You're just gonna line them up, push them in, it should be good to go. So I'm gonna use two hands, so I'm gonna just show it to you on the other camera. All right, so that's the first side right here. Looks good. Let's go on the other side. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing for this side. This is the back tire. Just gonna line them up properly, right against this. Easy, right? Sure it's in there properly. There you go. All right, so you tell me, what do you think? Do these look better than the original ones? I think it looks good. It looks good. Now I gotta put the other wheel cover, the wheel symbol on that one, but wow, that's a good option. So you tell me, what do you think? The only thing left now is to install these right here. So you just gotta, you pull the tape off in the back, you just stick it on here. Boom. I'd rather do it this way. Earlier I did it the opposite way. I put it on there before, but I want to make sure it sticks on here, so I'm gonna just push it on here. All right, So what we're gonna do now is a test just to make sure it wasn't my wheel covers that was making that noise. So we're gonna do a test and see if we can hear that rattling. And if we still hear it, then I don't know. But I wanna know if the rattling is still there. All right, so I did not hear any rattle noise coming from my Tesla wheel covers. So it has to have been the original wheel covers. So that's a win in my book. EV Base. If you want those, anyone who want those rims, I'm gonna link it in the description. You get 20% off if you use my code TWR407. I'm gonna link that as well. And also they have a Black Friday sale going on starting November 10th, so you can get even a bigger discount. So EV Base got a lot of good options. Link is in my bio. I appreciate everyone watching. I'm gonna have more Tesla videos coming your way. I have the new FSD right now, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We're gonna do a full self-driving throughout the city just to make sure, you know, any kinks in it. So far, so good. I've been loving this new self-driving, and I'm telling you right now, full self-driving. I'm telling you right now, I don't think I'm ever gonna drive myself again. It's all gonna be full self-driving. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Tesla content. I appreciate you guys watching. Welcome my new family.